As businesses struggle under restrictions, Oregon lost 25,000 jobs in the hospitality industry, and that was just December alone.
Restaurants in particular are pushing Governor Kate Brown to change her approach. Fox 12's John Hendricks spoke one-on-one with the governor today on everything from the vaccine rollout to lifting restrictions. John?
Well, Pete, Nora, when it comes to that vaccine rollout, some counties are doing better than others. Here in the Portland metro area, there are still thousands of people in that phase 1A waiting to get a vaccine. At the same time, restaurants are pleading with the state to ease some restrictions. In a one-on-one interview with us today, Oregon Governor Kate Brown saying the plan to vaccinate Oregonians is ambitious, but counties like Marion, Deschutes, Crook, and Jefferson are already moving to vaccinate seniors. It comes as the Portland metro area tries to play catch-up in vaccinating those in Phase 1A. The state is allocating more doses to the Portland metro area to get caught up.
I think most of us didn't realize how many healthcare workers that we have in the metropolitan area. And we need to make sure that these folks are vaccinated.
Throughout the pandemic, we have heard from restaurant owners pleading to have restrictions lifted. Today, the governor telling us the state is taking a close look at how these new modified restrictions impact the virus case numbers to see if they can keep the numbers down.
We're going to try this modified reopening for the next 2 weeks and then see how we're doing. As you know, this is really the first pandemic that we've had in close to 100 years. And we are using science and data to inform our decision making. I'm continuing to rely on medical experts.
The restaurant industry saying they don't want to see anyone get sick and have spent thousands of dollars to be able to be open safely during this pandemic. ORLA had sent out a letter, a press release saying that the data, the science, isn't there that shows that outbreaks happen at restaurants for indoor dining. They said it didn't happen over the summer. How do you respond to that?
Well, I would just say that what we know is that when we closed indoor dining and indoor drinking, bars, and indoor gym recreational facilities, we saw our numbers parallel and then continue to decline. And the connection here is really community spread. It's really hard to trace it back to a particular incident, but we know that by having these facilities open, it contributes to sporadic or community spread of the virus.
Now, in moving forward, the governor says that she is optimistic and pleased that there is some certainty and forecasting coming from the federal government when it comes to the vaccine shipments headed to the state. She says that she is proud of the work of the state and then also of Oregonians who have kept some infection rates low. Reporting live tonight, John Hendricks, Fox 12 Oregon.